Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to fix action required. There is something to check in your Adsense for YouTube payment account. Let's get into the video. So guys, this morning I just wake up, I just found this on my Adsense account. So for you to solve this out, you simply need to click on go to payment. So after which you click on what? Verify now. So once you're there, it's actually required that you should insert either your passport or your driving license or your national ID or your resident permit. So I'm going to click on what? I'll check on this box, so you make sure you read this out first. I'll click on it, after which I'll click on start verification. So guys, you simply need to insert your legit name here. So after inserting your name, you choose your ID type. So I'll be using my passport. So I'll simply need to upload the image here. So I'm going to click on what? Upload. Choose it. Open. So after which I'll click on what? Next. So after that, you simply need to insert your address. Apartment if required, but I'll leave it in that manner. So after that, after inserting your address, you simply click on what? Submit. So guys, we just successfully inserted our verification, so it is actually in process. So this might take a few days. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.